Okay, so here we have kneeling push-up. So what we're going to be working on is maintaining a neutral alignment with our spine and scapular control as we go through this movement. So I want you to breathe into your lower abs, maintaining 360 filling. Next, we're going to depress our shoulder blades and make sure they're nice and engaged against our rib cage. From here, we're going to ensure we've got a neutral neck and head alignment. Now we're going to initiate the movement by letting our center of gravity travel over our hands and bending our elbows at the same time. Well, you'll notice we're maintaining a nice line as we do this and allowing the shoulder blades to glide together at the bottom. And now we'll push back up and allow the shoulder blades to glide without rounding our back here. So a common issue that we see is people rounding up into their lower back at the top. So go ahead. So we want to maintain a neutral alignment there. And then when we come down, the most common issue we see is arching into the lower back like this. So we want to make sure that we're maintaining our core engagement as we go through this movement.